Stories remembered here remind us that even during humanity's most difficult moments, there are those who choose moral courage over fear and humanity over indifference. Their actions serve as an inspiration to all nations and all generations. As we reflect on their legacy, we are reminded that peace is strengthened when people choose dialogue over division, understanding over prejudice, and cooperation over conflict. On behalf of the Republic of Somaliland, I express deep respect for those honored here and for the values they represent. May their example continue to inspire leaders and citizens alike to build a more peaceful and compassionate world. Actually, environment is very important for the whole world. And in our country, the government has introduced a mechanism to plant trees each year. We are not as old as your organization. And we have a minister specialized in environment protection, Ministry of Environment and Rural Development. And we wish to share your experience